Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariela and I'm a professional makeup artist. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this look. This look was inspired by Tinkerbell from Disney. And if you want to know how I did this look, just keep watching. Today I'm gonna use my primer from Too Faced. This is the Hangover Primer. And I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Next, I'm gonna use my foundation. Today I'm gonna use the Born This Way foundation. This is from Too Faced. My shade is Pearl. And I'm gonna use a damp sponge. This one is from Real Techniques. Now let's move on to concealer. I'm gonna use the Dior Forever Skin Corrector. My shade is 1.5 Neutral. And I'm gonna use a small Real Techniques sponge to blend it in. For my powder, I'm gonna use the powder from La Prairie. So I will not contour my face, I will just apply blush. This blush is from Tarte in the shade Harmony, and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks. Now let's move on to our eyebrows. I'm gonna use my eyebrow pencil from Chanel in the shade Brun Naturel, and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Gonna turn into pumpkin. Bippity boppity boom. Okay, to set my eyebrows, I'm gonna use a 24 eyebrow setter for Benefit. Okay, now let's highlight our face. I'm gonna use the Chanel highlighter. And for my cheekbones, I'm gonna switch the highlighter. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Trophy Vibe. And it's a gold highlighter. Now let's do our eyes. I'm gonna use the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. And I'm gonna use first this shade It's called Mr. Diva, and I'm gonna use just a big fluffy blending brush and use it as my transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go inside this shade. It's called Los Angeles. It's a nice chocolatey brown shade. And I'm just gonna darken my crease and my outer corner. Then I'm gonna go inside this shade. It's called High Dude. It's a dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna apply it in my inner corner to give my eye a bit of depth. And because I have slightly hooded eyes, I am applying it above my crease to make my eyes visibly like lifted. Then with the brush I used before, I just gonna slightly blend the colors together. Then with whatever is left on this brush, I'm gonna apply it to my lower lash line. And then I'm just gonna blend this out a bit. Now I am going to go inside this shade. It's Pressed Pigment and it's called Glam Rapids. It's a nice gold shade, and I'm gonna apply it on my lid. In my inner corner, I'm gonna apply the highlighter. Then I'm gonna use such a nail brush, and I am going inside this color, Drive Through, and I am gonna apply it on my outer corner. Now I am gonna use my mascara. This one is Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, and I'm gonna use the volume side. I'm just gonna apply it to my top and bottom lashes. Alright, my lashes are on. I used the Lily lashes. And now let's move on to the lips. I'm gonna use the liquid lips from Huda Beauty in the shade Bombshell. While the lipstick is still wet, I'm gonna use the highlighter from Fenty Beauty and apply it with my ring finger in the center of my lip. Alright, that's it guys. That was for this video. I hope you like this Tinkerbell inspired look. Let me know in the comments below which Disney character princess you want to see next. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.